Okay, this is the back side of the Dollar Tree truck wreath form, and how will I apply it to my fence backdrop? I'm adding a little bit of buffalo plaid cloth in the black and white check to the window and to the wheels, because then I'm going to cut out a cardboard circle, glue it, a cardboard square right here, glue it, and then a cardboard circle here. These are the areas where I then will add my fabric tack glue and then adhere it to the back of, or the front of the fence. Okay? And then that way on this side, all you see is just a little pretty check. Alright, but you have to have something to attach this to, and you don't want hot glue to show. You do not want your glue to show on that buffalo plaid fabric. So that's the areas where I will apply the glue behind this, but I have to have cardboard for the go-between. Okay? Here is the final picture, but I have to show it to you in live video. So see, I kept the joy, painted over all 3 plaques, but kept this joy. Alright? Remember, the wreath form can just be used for these types of crafts, farmhouse crafts, rustic crafts. The form itself gives that appearance. And there's the loop-de-loop yarn right here. Now this can look like 3 barn silos. It can look like anything you want it to look like. Fence. It's a backdrop. This is part 1. It's a backdrop for my 12 days of ornaments coming up. What will I do for part 2? I will place hooks, 4 here, 4 here, and 4 here. That makes 12 hooks. I will paint this area with black chalk paint. I'm waiting for that to come into the mail. And that area, black chalk paint. I will add 12 days of ornaments to this to really personalize it. And up here, yes, I added the twine. And I also added some cute little leftover chain link, metal chain links that I have. And I thought I would add this, and then if I ever want to make more room for more ornaments later on, other than the 12, I can hook it up here, or I can hook up garland, whatever I want to do. Furthermore, let's show the back. The most important idea of this project was to secure it. And I wrote in the slideshow I used ceiling fan blades. Here they are. What would I suggest you use if you do not have ceiling fan blades to repurpose? Use the tongue suppressors. Use a piece of wood from out in your wood stash. Alright, you have to secure all 3 of these pieces together. Now this is going to get weighty because it's going to have 12 ornaments hanging. So I screwed them on with tiny little wood screws. You see these in all my DIY projects when I created the DIY red truck remote control holder, which is now holding all my little upcoming supplies for my ornaments. But I screwed that together so it could hold more and more weight. Little wood screws. So thanks for watching part 1. Part 2's coming up. I just love this idea. Instead of hanging my ornaments on a little tree this season, I'm going to hang it and display them on the wall. And Dollar Tree has a lot of products to use this year to craft with. And these are just a few of the products that I have used so far. The Christmas tag plaques, the red tinsel Merry Christmas wall decor, and I saved the tinsel because Miss Legacy's going to craft up a few ornaments too, and she can use this for her decorations. Yeah, she's here today.
I didn't have school Friday. I was in luck.
I'm back. The batteries went out. Camera needed new batteries. And I did forget to mention that to glue this to my backdrop, I did place little pretty pieces of plaid in the window and in the tires, and then I added cardboard on the back, and then I glued the cardboard and this fabric together with fabric tack. You know this is my favorite glue to bond items together to fabric, and it's also waterproof. I use this outside this summer for all my solar lights, and they're all still up right now. I have not taken them down, and it's getting time to take some of this stuff and put it in. Well, we will sign off, and we're sending our blessings out to you and your family from us here in Bay City, Michigan. See you for part 2. Bye.